Hi there! So Amazfit is on a spree. After launching the GTR 2 and the GTS 2, today Amazfit has launched the GTS 2 Mini, and here it is. By the way, I've made separate videos on the GTR 2 and the GTS 2. I'll leave the links below in the description. I highly recommend you see those. Now I've been using the Mini for about 2 days now. Not exactly the color of my choice, pink, but my wife says she loved it. It's also available in black and green if you prefer other colors. Now don't get confused by the name Mini and the color pink. This is a unisex watch and can be worn by men and women. So this is a scaled down version of the GTS 2 and is also almost 50% cheaper. Continue watching and I'll let you know everything about it so that you can decide if you should buy this or not. Alright, so let's begin with a physical overview. So it has a square dial just like its elder sibling but a tad smaller. The frame of the watch is made of aluminium, giving it a very premium look. There is one button on the side to access the apps and workouts or to go back to the home page. Towards the back are the sensors. It retains the BioTracker 2.0 sensor from the GTS 2 that tracks heart rate and SpO2. The straps are made of extremely soft silicone and have a buckle design. Surely does provide a good fit. It can be changed with any 20mm third-party bands if needed thanks to the hook mechanism. It weighs just 19.5 grams, making it extremely comfortable to be worn all the time, including while you sleep. Coming to the display, it has a 1.55-inch touch AMOLED display with a resolution of 354 by 306 pixels. It supports 100% NTSC color gamut and the watch faces look really vivid and punchy. The display goes almost edge to edge and you can barely see any bezels on it. The text and images are sharp thanks to the 331 ppi. It also comes with always on mode with over 30 plus options. But remember, keeping this on your watch will drastically reduce battery life. It comes with 220 mAh battery which the company claims will last for 14 days with typical use and 7 days with heavy use. Now battery life depends on many things: brightness levels, activity tracking, 24-hour heart rate tracking, GPS, notifications, so many things. So the numbers might vary, but my estimate is we should safely get 7 to 8 days without any problem. It comes with a proprietary magnetic charger that aligns with the terminals on the watch and starts charging. Super simple. It comes with 5 ATM water resistant rating, so wearing it in the rain or even for a swim is absolutely fine. In fact, it even comes with swim tracking built in. Talking about activity tracking, it has a ton of them, 70 to be exact. Now apart from the regular ones like walking, running, cycling, it has dancing, boxing, karate, judo, wrestling and so many more. Accuracy for those obviously cannot be tested, but I used it for a basic run workout and it did a really good job. It did take a few seconds to connect to the built-in GPS, but was quicker than expected. It shows the duration, distance, pace, heart rate, and so much more detail directly on your watch face. After you finish your workout, you can see the map and the complete detail on the screen too. You can access all the data later on the Zepp Companion app as well. Works great. It also has a heart rate and SpO2 sensor which provide you all the data, but remember, SpO2 on a smartwatch is more for reference and not for medical purpose, so take it with a grain of salt. Heart rate tracking, however, is pretty dependable. It also comes with stress detection, so you can check where your stress level lies, normal, medium or high, so you know when to relax and reduce it. A lot of people I'm sure are going to need this one. It comes with sleep tracking, and if you need more details, you can check that in the Zepp app. It tells you about light sleep, deep sleep, all the details. In fact, it even tracks day naps longer than 20 minutes. So daydreamers, don't worry. Let's quickly browse through the interface. Swipe from the top to access quick toggles, swipe right, activity goals, heart rate, SpO2, stress, PAI, weather, music player to access music that is playing on your phone, and home page. Swipe from down to access the notifications. Press the button, you have activity goals, you have PAI, heart rate, sleep tracking, workout. In workout you have tons of workouts. Then you have workout history, SpO2, stress, breathing exercise, cycle tracking for women, alarms, settings. In settings you have watch face, screen off face, auto screen off, some basic settings. In more you have weather, music, countdown, stopwatch, world clock, compass, camera remote to take pictures directly from your phone, and find phone. It's smooth, easy to use and responsive. Could be a little smoother and I hope it does get better with an update. You get call alerts with vibration, you can reject the call or even silent the call, but you cannot answer or talk. If you want to talk using your watch, you should consider the GTS2 or the GTR2 as both of them come with that feature. It also receives notification alerts. You can see the app icon it's sent from, you can read the message, but you can't reply or delete it. Pretty standard. Coming to watch faces, you get 4 pre-installed watch faces while you can get many more from the Zepp watch face store. Digital, analog, whatever you want. I especially love this 80s style watch face. It has a glitch effect every time you turn on the display or come to the home page. Of course, it's a personal choice. You can also custom set your own picture from the gallery as a watch face, something I'm sure many would love to do. So the companion Zepp app is good. It shows you your workouts, sleep, heart rate, SpO2 all on the home page. In the settings, you can change the call alerts, alarms, you can do your updates. It's easy to use and pretty functional. Alright, so here's a smartwatch with a gorgeous AMOLED display, square metal body, built-in GPS, always on display, 14 days battery life, SpO2 and heart rate sensor, 5 ATM water resistance and 70 sports mode, and all that for just 6,999. It's going to be on sale on 26th of December at 12 noon. It's definitely a good buy for a premium mid-range smartwatch. If you want a bigger display with the phone calling feature and internal storage so you can save songs offline, then you can consider the bigger brothers, the GTS2 or even the GTR2. I'll leave the links for all the devices, including the Mini, in the description. You should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.